Each year, more than 800 girls from every corner of the state come to Missouri Girls State. The annual week-long program held at the University of Central Missouri focuses on patriotism, citizenship, and service.
This is just a process for girls to get more familiar with the governmental process and really immerse themselves in it.
Angeli is this year's Girls State Governor and had the opportunity to introduce Missouri Governor Jay Nixon, who addressed the crowd.
But all I ask is that you use what you gained this week to use it to build a solid path on a career that you will love. Use what you learned this week and in the coming years to build strong families, vibrant communities, and a prosperous state.
The governor also held a Q&A session with the girls, who asked questions about his priorities, scholarship funding, how to find a job, and about running for office.
It felt good to have someone in that kind of position really answering to us. It made us feel like we had a voice.
The governor gave advice on how to prepare for the future and be successful.
We live in a world economy in which the competition for the future, the competition for our way of life, the competition for our freedom, the competition for our economic independence lies not merely in what you can do in your town or in your county or in your state. It's how we compete in the world.
Angeli tells me she feels ready, due in part to her time at Girls State.
And it's definitely a phenomenal experience. Around here we call it a week to shape a lifetime. And I feel that I've really become a better leader and I've been more committed to public service than ever before.
For Missouri Now, I'm Jacqueline Lapine.